Alright, so this is going to be chapter 3 out of the CompTIA Linux Plus Guide to Linux Certification. We're going to go over a couple of commands that I thought were important in there. Again, this is files, directories, and navigation. I'm going to just do a PWD. Right now I'm currently logged into the Amazon Web Services. I just do a PWD and it tells me where I am locally. If I want to do an ls, that's going to be the list command. There's no files in here. So if I own this directory, so if I vim new file .html, now it's going to take me into Vim. This is one of the things I wanted to talk about today. In Vim, there's different modes. You have insert mode and command mode. So in insert mode, this is where you're going to you can type things, okay? So this is a new file. How are you doing? You can also do HTML. Notice how the HTML tags are in the editor. You can also do PHP. Echo. Hello world. Okay. And raise that up. Okay, so you can also do PHP. Notice how it changes as you do it. Now, if I want to get out of insert mode, I'm just going to hit escape, and I'm going to hit colon. Notice how it changes on the bottom left, colon, and then I want to write quit. I could also just quit without saving it, but the write is going to save it, then quit. If for some reason I don't have writes and I need it, and if there's an error, I can also quit, and then we call it bang, or exclamation point actually gets out of that. So I'm going to write and quit. Now if I do an ls, it shows there's my file. If I do an ls-l, it's going to give me the long list and tell me about who is the owner, who's the group, and what the name of the file is. Now, over here on the left, this is the permissions. We're going to talk about this more in the next chapter, but I want you to take a look at this first character here. If the first character is a dash, that means it's a file. If this first character is a D, that means it's a directory. Remember, you need to know that for the final exam. Okay, so today we've talked about PWD, we've also talked about ls, and we've also gone through how to use the basic functions of the VI editor. That's pretty much all there was in chapter 3. So for today's quiz, I just want you to, for my fall 2017 class, I just want you to, in the comments section, make sure you're first logged in to your Gmail for the university, and then in the comment section say something along the lines of, hey, what a great video. That's all I need you to put. Hey, what a great video. And then I'll give you credit for today's quiz. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the easiest way to get updates on what videos are being posted out on YouTube. Have a great Thanksgiving.